Hi friends, welcome to Pharma Job Alert YouTube channel. Today's video is Elfin's Pharma drugs. You can see positions is Department, Quality Assurance, Quality Control, Manufacturing, Engineering, Packing, Admin, HRD, Purchase, Accounts, PPIC, Autoclave Operator. And designation is Senior Executive, Junior Executive, Approved Production, Junior Executive, Head, Receptionist, Male, and operator. And coming to the education and qualification, Bpharm Bsc Msc ITI Diploma degree graduates apply to this position, and experience is 0 to 7 years of experience. And another department is ornament machine operator, liquid machine operator, and admin. And designation is senior executive, junior executive, operator, driver. And graduation is Bpharm graduates, metric, senior secondary graduates apply to this position. And total vacancies 100, and location is Nalgar, Himachal. All candidates should be male and pharmaceuticals industry. If you have any query, please contact the HR or send resume to mentioned email ID. Please refer description box for HR email ID and contact details. For more job updates, please join our WhatsApp group. Our WhatsApp group link is available in description box below. These are the details regarding walk-in interview. If you like this video, please like and subscribe and share to your friends and family members. Thank you for watching this video. For job updates, subscribe to YouTube channel Pharma Job Alert. Bye. See you in the next video.